4 ways sex enhances health. We all know that sex is an indispensable element in emotional life of all couples. However, how to make sure it is good to have sexual health, in other words, for men and women health, not everyone knows. Email today. I will share with you the tips to the couple maintains good sexual health. So don't go anywhere, sit down, stay there and give me these extremely useful tips. 1. Having sex is sufficient for sexual health. Most of us think that the frequency of relationships is more. The relationship between the two will be closer. However, couples should not be too important the number of love, because even though there is love, but the quality of each love is not good, not satisfied with your partner, it does not make sense at all. The most important thing is still caring, sharing, loving, and especially the quality of love. The physiological and emotional health of couples will be better if they have a reasonable frequency of relationship. Safety for health, and the frequency of 2 to 3 times a week is the most reasonable. If the frequency of love too thick can lead to reduced libido. 2. Relationship when good for both health. The proper relationship between husband and wife is to determine the right time for the relationship and the needs of each other's desires, to understand each other's feelings, to make them both happier. Therefore, you should avoid intercourse during the period of the red light. Relationship in this time is not an absolute safe method of contraception. Instead of other protective measures such as condoms. Moreover, this is also not good for sexual health. In addition, sex during these days is more likely to cause infections because the vaginal acid and alkaline balance during this period will create favorable conditions for bacteria that cause vaginitis or urinary tract infections. Most women want to love most on ovulation due to concentration. Genital time of ovulation is also high at the woman. Women have the most intense desires. It is not too difficult for the gentleman to recognize this golden time because women will tend to dress up, more makeup, more pink skin, long eyes, linen, soft footsteps exuding extremely feminine charm. Men try to take advantage of this opportunity to reconcile the story of sex between the couple. This is also a remarkable note to remember. So, how is sex properly and safely? 3. Having sex properly. Plus, choose the appropriate posture to create comfort for both of you, especially in case you have a baby. You need to put the health of the mother and the baby first. Do not let any mistake happen. Plus, do not skip the prelude. Although two people have been married 5 years, 10 years or 20 years, the prelude is still the catalyst. Strong, indispensable to the sublimation love. Usually, common, normal. Women take more time to achieve orgasm than men, and foreplay are ways to help two people to the top at the same time. Show men's health. Plus, safe sex. If you have sex with a new partner, you should use safety precautions to avoid sexually transmitted infections. Plus, after each relationship needs to clean genital organs too, preventing inflammatory diseases. But do not be too strong. The hands on the skin in this area are often fragile. If you are too strong, can also hurt your little boy, torn skin or bruises there. Moreover, you should rinse with water instead. Wipe clean with paper. 4. The benefits of proper spousal relationship. Spouses play a fundamental role in protecting a happy marriage, and it also plays a part in one of the most effective forms of exercise. That's why the benefits great. It gives every couple sometimes great. Plus, having sex properly helps improve the immune system. Having sex 2 to 3 times to help boost the immune system in the most effective way. Plus, enhance cardiovascular health through proper sex. Everyone knows that physical activity is very beneficial to health of the heart, and including sexual activity. When sexually stimulated helps to increase the heart rate. The number of beats per minute reaches its peak when orgasm is reached. Men will enjoy a lot benefit from sex to heart more than women. More specifically, people with cardiovascular disease do not affect the sex life, or heart attacks or chest pain due to heart disease rarely occur during sex. plus proper relationship to help stabilize blood pressure. As we all know, men with high blood pressure will lead to physiological health conditions. In addition, low blood pressure in women can reduce libido. Couples who regularly and consistently have sex will help reduce the risk of blood pressure problems. Hopefully, information on how to improve the physiology of the name will help your health better as well as your spouse's life more sublime and happy.